We're going to dive a little more into chickens. The pullets will have we'll check out what their eggs look like, because some of them that we had just gotten are starting to lay, and you'll be amazed at looking at their eggs. Right, Cody? You'd be amazed. What are pullets, you may ask?
Chicken soup with Grumbles.
Well, pullets are what's considered the teenage chicken.
Soup with Grumbles.
A chicken that's not quite ready to lay, in between, I think it's 16 and 24 weeks old. They consider a pullet. They're the adolescents, the punks of the chicken world, if you would have it that way. They're a little more curious. They're a little more energetic. They all love popcorn for breakfast. Check this out. You want some popcorn? Warm popcorn for breakfast. For instance, that's a pullet right here, this one. This one. Those two. Where's the other pullets we got? That one's a pullet. The brown one walking away. Tall one over there. That one over there is a pullet. We went to go get these pullets there not too long ago. If you want to check out that video, it's right there. The nice journey we took to get these nice pullets. Generally, they don't start laying for a while, but when they do, their their schedule is not quite consistent. As they get older in their weeks, they will actually become more consistent depending on the breed and the health of the chicken. You know, some chickens lay every 3 days, some lay every 5 days, some lay every 2 days. Depends on the breeds. Boy, you like that popcorn. You guys want some popcorn over here? Got some popcorn over here? Here, let me empty this for you. Popcorn. Warm popcorn. Have at her. Look, it's who do you think that is? It's little Fred. Hi, little Fred. Fred. Have some popcorn, Fred. This video is Little Fred approved. Hey, yeah, you, the one not subscribed. You watched 3 of my videos in a row and try not to join the chaos. I dare you. Well, hello chickens, I got some fresh water for you. Let me move this out of the way, Look at that. I'm gonna talk a little bit about this little splash. I call it a splash because it's different colors. But that is one of our pullets that have started laying. Get us all, I brought you some water. Let's go chickens. Don't make me trip. Oh my goodness, you need water. How's everybody in here today? You're looking a little cold. Let me do a little pour of this water here for you. Whoop, pour a little bit of this water. There you go. There's a string in there or something. Anyways, we went and got some pullets, and they have just started to lay. Here, would you like some scratch while I'm talking? There's one of them right there. We got her when she was, I think, about 16 weeks old. So your pullets are considered anywhere between 60 and 24 weeks, so like 4 to 6 months old. Generally start laying around 5.5, 6 months. Well, it's little Fred. You're stealing the show all the time. Don't be picking at the other hens, right? That's not very nice. Want some scratch? Is that what you want? You want some of this stuff? Here, I'll let you. Oh, little Fred, you got showered. Hang on, little Fred. You're tipping away. You ladies like some in here? There's another little pullet right there. But they're all starting to lay. So we're pretty excited about that. That means we got fresh eggs. The freshest eggs you can get is when chickens start laying. The pullets. They don't really lay consistently to begin with, but they do level out and get there's another one right there. I'm pointing out all these pullets we got when we went on our little road trip. Is there another one around here? Yeah, that's one right there. That's another little pullet. But when pullets start laying, their eggs are actually small. And a good example here I've got of one of them. I'm gonna take this green egg. Oh, look at all these eggs. I'm gonna take this green egg here. Let me put it somewhere here. I'll put it up here. There is a regular hen's egg. Pullet eggs are always smaller. So when they start laying, their eggs are fairly small. I've seen some pretty small ones, probably the size of a 50-cent piece or a loonie from Canada. But here is a pullet egg beside it. It's half the size. So when they start laying, they lay really tiny eggs. So we now have a couple dozen of these really small ones. So when you crack eggs and you make breakfast, you actually have to crack 4 or 5 of these to have a good couple egg meal. I'll put it in the light there. But yeah, compared to, and back this off a little bit, compared to the other size of the eggs, there's quite a difference. Lots of nutrients in that, fresh nutrients. Like I said, the pullets are considered teenage chickens. They're not quite adults. They're more playful. They're scooting around all the time, having fun, but they will get to a point where they lay consistently. You don't want that. So since we're here and I got a couple eggs in my hand, let's do an egg count. Oh, watch out, chickens. Top of that garbage can just come off. How many eggs do you think we're gonna get today? We're gonna put this right there and that right there. Little pullet egg. So is there any eggs in here? There is one little egg, a little brown one. I only got one carton in here, so I hope I don't have too many. Well, I can never say I wish I don't have too many. So pullets are a little more expensive than day-old chicks. Day-old chicks, unless they're sexed, I wouldn't really recommend getting day-olds. They're a lot to take care of when they first little chicks. And if they're not sexed, then you never know really if you're getting roosters or if you're getting chickens. Boy, I filled that up, no problem. There's 13. Look at that, right off the bat. Any in this one? Well, there's 3 in here too. But Lowry, the reason we got these pullets was because we like our different color eggs. And look at that. There's a green, a sage green, a blue, another bluish green, that one. There's a couple blues, there's another blue, there's a couple greens, another blue, another green. That's like sage green, these two. I like that color. I don't think the camera really does much for it, but it's a nice color. So look at that for the egg count. We got 16. Usually they slow down. And the reason, like I say, we don't have consistently the same number of eggs all the time is basically because the different hens or the different breeds lay different days, right? Different times of the day. Different times of the day. Sorry, different days. Like every second day, every third day, every day. So the days mix up when the day. And when it gets cold, they actually tend to molt when it's cold, and their laying production goes down in the winter, unfortunately, here in Canada. But so far, you know, they're not too far off what we were getting in the summertime. And the reason we haven't had a lot in the summer, like I think our biggest one was 21 eggs. And you look at all these chickens and you're going, well, look at all your chickens. Why are you only getting 20 eggs? Well, it's because they don't all lay every day. And there's about 12 of them here that were pullets and too young to lay. So you're seeing chickens, but they're not able to lay yet. And then there's a rooster in here too, which doesn't lay. So basically that's it. I would suggest getting pullets. If you're gonna get chickens for your backyard, get some pullets. Like I said, fresh eggs. It only takes, you know, within a couple weeks for the eggs to get gradually bigger. But you will notice it. It'll be kind of neat when you get first eggs because they're really small, and you know, you can make jokes and sell a dozen of first pullet eggs for like, half price or whatever. So there's the pullet right there. How are you, girl? Congratulations on your egg laying. And you as well, you're a pullet. And they're the blue and green eggs. So we've replenished. We were running out of hens that were doing blue and green eggs, and now we got lots. And now that the pullets are laying, it will only consistently get better. So by all means, share, like, comment, everything. I hope you enjoyed this little info about your pullets at Grumbles Homestead. And welcome on back. See what else we got going on.
Chicken soup with Grumbles.
Take care. Hit that like button.
What an awesome meal.